Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about something I recently just purchased online. It's cold weather now, so it's definitely appropriate time to switch over the closet to jackets and vests and boots and get rid of all like the summer and spring stuff because the cold weather is here in New York to stay. So I was looking for, because I have to wear black a lot to work, so I was looking for a vest that would be pretty much all plain black, and it would kind of just go with whatever I'm wearing. Black long sleeve shirt or black sweater, or it could go with really any colored shirt and any kind of shirt, but because I have to wear black, I usually have to wear like black underneath it, and I think it looks somewhat stylish, and it's pretty warm. And I'm gonna get to the inside in a little bit, but it's Calvin Klein actually, so let me just show you that. It's a Calvin Klein vest in size medium. I love Calvin Klein. They've been around forever. They're really great brands, and I wanted to get something that was a little bit of a nicer brand and quality so that I could get a couple seasons of winter and fall use out of it. So I thought it was really stylish that it has the black with the gold. I always think black and gold look really, really nice together. It has this zipper, so it's easy to zip up all the way here, and it'll keep your neck nice and warm. It's kind of like a puffer vest. And then these pockets are pretty deep. They go all the way into here, so you have plenty of space for anything you want to put in there. I always have like tissues, gloves, cash, credit cards on me. Kind of where I like to keep them, in the pockets. It's quilted. Feels like nylon. I'm not sure of the material, but let's take a look. So the shell is 100% polyester. The lining is 100% polyester. The fill is 100% polyester. And then the exterior, so the shell would be inside, so then the exterior would be 100%. No, I'm sorry, I guess it's the same thing. I got confused because it's in two different languages. So yes, so the shell is 100%, so it's all polyester. It's made of polyester, all in and out. So let's see, the care is on the reverse side. Let's flip it over to see. Machine wash cold with light colors only. On the gentle cycle, use only non-chlorine bleach when needed. Do not use fabric softener. Tumble dry low and cool iron if necessary. That's interesting. I don't know if I'd feel comfortable putting it in the dryer. I guess I'd put it on in like the lowest setting possible. I like how it opens right up. It's, I guess like medium. It's pretty thin, but it's like medium weight. It's not too heavy. Okay, let's see. So this is the size medium that I got. It's pretty true to size. Made in China. This is the RN number 54153, CA 57151. It zips nicely, nice and warm, traps the heat in. All right, let's flip over to the back so you guys could see. A plain black, looks nice from the back. So I love that this is simple, stylish, and warm, so it's kind of really nice. It's like a win-win. I love that I could wear this to work, and great for the cold weather. This is pretty heavy too, the zippers, and I like that they have the little Calvin Klein logo on the side so you can see. It's nice and shiny, and I can see already it's a great quality material, and I'm gonna get quite a few uses out of this. So I like that it's pretty slim fitting too, but also large enough that if you have a sweater on, it won't be bulky or anything like that. I'm sure it's very easy to just like spot clean, and yeah, I think the only thing, just be careful. I always manage to get oil on myself, and then the oil will kind of like stain everything, so just try to be careful with oil, but I feel like everything else should wipe off pretty clean if anything's spilled on there. I just want to give you guys a closer up look at the zipper. I think most of you guys that are watching are probably pretty familiar with Calvin Klein, and you probably like them. Been buying their stuff for a very long time, and it's never disappointed. So I hope you guys will try out this black vest by Calvin Klein. It's stylish, it's simple, it's really nice, it's easy to clean, it's warm, and I hope you guys found the video useful. And I hope you ladies will try out the vest, and I think it'll make a great holiday gift coming up for Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. And I thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.